All right, cold weather video. We've been showing you a lot of it lately because just look at this. It's just unbelievable how cold it is. The temp's part of the so-called polar vortex. But what exactly does that mean?
I don't know, but it sounds cold, right?
It's awful.
Okay, so it's been painting an appropriate picture, we think, but is a warming world actually making it worse? Meteorologist Charles Roop looks into the science behind it all.
Almost everyone has been talking about it.
Polar vortex.
Polar vortex?
Polar vortex.
So what really is the polar vortex? It's a west to east flow of air farther to our north. In the middle of that flow over the North Pole, really cold air. But wait, there's more?
There's actually two of them. There's one in the troposphere, which is the lower section of the atmosphere where we observe our weather, and it's strongest right where the jet stream is. And then there's another polar vortex in the stratosphere, higher up, but it's the same thing.
So the lower vortex and the accompanying jet stream has a direct impact on our weather, but the higher vortex can become unstable, split, and then help to push colder air to the surface. This can happen up to a handful of times a year, bringing Arctic blasts to parts of the country.
We have obviously wiggles and wobbles in the jet stream all the time. The amplitude of those distortions can be affected by what's happening in the stratospheric polar vortex.
So what about climate change? The Arctic is warming more than locations to the south, and some research suggests that the warming may disrupt the flow of the jet stream, weaken it, and amplify it, making weather more extreme. But
there's a lot of controversy and uncertainty over whether we have actually seen any systematic changes in the jet stream or the polar vortex or its structure.
the research is ongoing, and there's still a lot to learn before we really determine how climate change will impact this infamous circulation. In Tallahassee, meteorologist Charles Roop, WCTV Eyewitness News.